Hi, good morning everyone. This is Chandrika ma'am. Today I am going to take class 2 grammar. Okay. In that lesson number 14 preposition. Okay. So just I am going to write some words. So what are preposition? At is preposition. Through. TH. Through. Near. Out of, into, about. So these are called preposition. The words at, through, near, out of, into show the relationship between noun and or pronoun and other words in the sentences. What this preposition will do? Preposition will show the relationship between noun and other words in the sentences. For example, I am going to write one sentence for you. Okay. The plane. Plane means aeroplane took off at 8 a.m. So, what is this preposition showing here? It shows the plane took off at 8 a.m. So, what it tells us? Plane already took off ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. That is called at. At is a preposition. So, another one I am going to do. Okay. Roma passed the thread through. Through is preposition here. Through the beads. Roma passed the thread through the beads. So here through shows the relationship between thread and beads. Okay. So Roma passed the beads into the thread. So through is shows the relationship between the beads and thread. Okay. So like that it is. So now here I am going to choose the correct preposition for each sentence. I will meet Ritu dash 5 o'clock. So what we have to write here? I will meet Ritu dash at dash 5 o'clock. So what did this sentence says us? I will meet Ritu dash 5 o'clock. So I am telling I am going to meet Ritu at what time? So 5 o'clock. So what should be here? At. At should be here. So second sentence. Rohan dived dash the river. So I will give some prepositions here. Into, on, under. What preposition we should write here? Rohan dived dash the river. Into the river, on the river, under the river. Which is correct? Into the river. So into. What into is a preposition. So it shows the relationship between dived into the river. Rohan dived into the river. So it shows the relationship between Rohan and river. Okay. So what action is doing Rohan and where he is doing that action. So into preposition will shows the relationship between that. Okay. So like that this is the preposition. So now we are moving to the next lesson. lesson number 15, that is conjunctions. You know what is the conjunction word? Which is a conjunction word, you know? Conjunction. Conjunction words are and, but. And but are the conjunction word. And another one is because. Okay, these three are conjunction words. What is this conjunction will do? The words and, but, or, because connect two or more words or sentences. They are conjunction. Conjunction are the connecting words for two sentences or two words. For example, Nidhi and Aradhya. So, and connected Nidhi and Aradhya there. Okay. So, like that, conjunction will connect the words or connecting the sentences is called conjunction. For example, I am going to write one sentence for you. Seema has fruits and vegetables on her table. So which is the conjunction here? This is the conjunction. So what this conjunction word is doing here? It connecting the two words. What is the two words? Fruits, vegetables. So we are not telling fruits, vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. So Seema hatra ide. Fruits and vegetables. What she had? She had fruits and vegetables on her table. So and is connecting the two words here. Okay. This is one example. And but. Now I am going to tell another one. The food was tasty. Okay. But it is so costly. So what this but doing here? But connecting the two sentences. In a previous sentence and connected two words. In here, but connecting two sentences. What are that two sentences? The food was tasty. Okay, first sentence is that food was tasty, very delicious. But adare, it is so costly. But it is so costly, so expensive. So like that, we are using all this. But and because are the conjunction words. Conjunction means connecting two words or two sentences. Okay, in next class I will continue the lesson. Okay, bye.